So here's another question from our viewer who's saying that can someone with a positive LMIA and initial work permit approval obtain the permit at the Vancouver border, or do they need to exit and return via India or Mexico to get it at the airport?
On December 23, 2024, CBSA, so Canada Border Security Agency, eliminated the ability for most people to flagpole for work permits. So flagpoling is when somebody drives to the border, they get in touch with the CBSA officer there, and on the spot, the CBSA officer gives them the work permit and then they drive back to Canada. So for most people, they can't do this anymore. There are certain limitations. For example, US citizens, US green card holders, they can still flagpole. But for the majority of people, it's not possible to drive to the Vancouver border to flagpole and to then get a work permit. An option is once you have the work visa approved, you can fly out to a country, for example, India or Mexico. So, a country where you are legally allowed to enter. So, you have some type of travel document that allows you entry. And then, once you re enter the country, you'll be greeted by CBSA. You will show them your visa, your work permit approval letter, and that way you can receive the new work permit. But you do have to, for most people, you do have to fully leave the country, fly out, and fly back in.
All right. Thank you so much, Yameena, for your answer.
You know why I'm vacationing in Dubai right now? Because I stopped drowning in RFEs, intake calls, and late night filings. I used to hire freelancers who barely knew what a G28 was. Total chaos. Then I found IMI Support, virtual immigration paralegals trained in real case prep, docket-wise, and USCIS workflows. Now my calendar's clean, my clients are happy, and my firm runs while I relax. You can hustle or you can outsource smart. I chose freedom. I chose IMI Support.